This is the other elevator at the Walnut on Highland Penn building, I believe, in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. On my last video, we rode the Schindler 3300 elevator on the left. Now we're going to be running the Schindler 5500 elevator on the right, which this may be a first. 3300 next to a 5500, which is weird. The 5500 is the freight elevator. These fire-nice elevators. That door operator is really noisy and messed up. Go up to 6. Class A loading. This is technically the freight elevator here, which is interesting. They installed a freight elevator next to a passenger elevator. There are two different models of Schindler. You're at 6. We're going to go back down to 2. ADA phone, car number A02. There's your indicator. Class A loading for freight elevator. Very tall elevator, basic cab. Yeah, this may be a first. A 5500 next to a 3300, which is very interesting. Here, back at 2.